In the heart of County Mayo lies Lough Carra, one of the finest examples of a marl lake habitat in Western Europe. A sanctuary that bears witness to a rich history and embodies the spirit of the local community, the resilience of its wildlife, and the delicate balance of a fragile ecosystem. Lough Carra was formed 15,000 years ago when the last of the glaciers retreated, leaving this wonderful shallow lake fed by both surface and underground rivers. The turquoise clear waters, low in nutrients and sediments, allowed cyanobacteria to live on the lake floor and slowly build the characteristic white marl crusts on its floor and shores. The lakeshore developed a diversity of habitats, including limestone pavements, ancient woodlands, fens, and grasslands rich with wildflowers and providing homes for a diverse range of species. Humans have lived around Lough Carra for over 3,000 years, and the lake continues to provide life supports to people in the area. This is a magical and rare place, but it's also vulnerable and sensitive to change, and many signs of the deterioration of Lough Carra are emerging. The aquatic invertebrates are disappearing, the aquatic plant communities are declining, and along with them the populations of key fish. The marl crusts are disintegrating, and the water is becoming increasingly cloudy and discoloured. This decline is due to the pressures from modern land management, the increased levels of nutrient runoff from agricultural land, and the ongoing conversion of semi-natural habitats into grasslands for livestock. These are issues impacting on waterways nationwide, but Lough Carra is particularly vulnerable. In 2018, concerned locals formed the Lough Carra Catchment Association, aiming to restore and protect the lake. And after several years' hard work, they established the Lough Carra Life Project. The project is jointly funded by the European Commission Life Programme and the project partners, with Mayo County Council as the coordinating body in partnership with the Department of Agriculture, Food and the Marine, National Parks and Wildlife Service, Geological Survey Ireland, Cuilcha and the Lough Carra Catchment Association. A number of other organisations will also provide support and guidance to the project. This is a project of partnerships, initiated by the local communities and with the local communities at its core. Over a 5-year period, the project will implement a programme of actions, including a groundwater study of the Lough Carra catchment, which will help to understand better the connections between groundwater and surface water in the catchment, and to then target project actions where they can be most effective. A pilot results-based agri-environment payment scheme will be developed in collaboration with local farmers to address the issues of excessive nutrient runoff from agricultural land and the ongoing conversion of land to improved grassland. Biodiversity management plans and habitat enhancement plans for key species will be developed in collaboration with project partners, and controls on invasive species will be implemented. A comprehensive programme of lake monitoring will be carried out throughout the project, helping to build our understanding of how the lake is changing. Finally, the project will initiate a campaign of knowledge exchange, public engagement and awareness. At the end of the project, an afterlife plan will be produced, outlining how the actions initiated by the project can be continued in the long term, and how the outcomes can be made permanent after the project has finished. Lough Carra is special in many ways, and is important to so many people, but none more so than the people who live around the shore and in the catchment. The people who drink the water, farm the land, and enjoy the broad spectrum of life supported by the lake. But Lough Carra is fading, and without intervention will continue to decline and will be lost in the years to come. The Lough Carra Life Project is an inspiring model of how local communities can build partnerships with key stakeholders and drive real action to protect and restore national treasures like Lough Carra for future generations.